everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you re a numismatic enthusiast or even just someone who loves a good treasure hunt, you're going to want to stick around for today's video. We're diving into the fascinating world of coin collecting, and specifically we're talking about a rare, highly valuable 1-cent euro coin from 1999. Yes, you heard me right, a 1-cent coin. Now, the euro currency came into existence in 1999, replacing national currencies in many European countries. The 1-cent coin, part of the euro's first set of circulating coins, was designed to represent the unity of the Eurozone nations, each coin featuring a common European side and a national side specific to the issuing country. Each country that adopted the euro was allowed to design the national side of its coins, and for the 1-cent coin, that's where things get interesting. But it's not just the design that makes this coin valuable. No, it's a rare production mistake that turned what should have been a routine coin into one of the most sought-after pieces for collectors. Let's take a look at the different varieties of the 1999 1-cent euro coin. Most of these were produced in high numbers and circulated widely, making them easily available on the market. The standard design for the 1-cent euro coin from 1999 features a European map on one side with the number 1 prominently displayed, while the reverse shows national symbols depending on the issuing country. But here's where it gets really interesting. Out of the millions of 1-cent coins produced in 1999, some were minted with a rare error. This error is what collectors are hunting for, and it can increase the value of the coin exponentially. Coin collectors and experts have identified a specific 1999 1-cent euro coin minted by the Netherlands with a glaring flaw, a missing mint mark. Normally, each euro coin produced by a member nation will have a mint mark indicating which country it came from. However, in this rare error, the mint mark, usually placed near the one, was either misshapen or entirely absent. Without the mint mark, these coins are extremely difficult to authenticate and distinguish from others in the same batch. This led to a scarcity of these coins in circulation, which in turn drove their value up. Some have even fetched prices of over $10,000 in auction. Imagine finding one of these coins in your pocket change. It would be like stumbling upon a treasure chest. But of course, the likelihood of that happening is slim, given how rare these coins are. In fact, some experts believe that only a handful of these error coins were ever produced over the years. These rare 1999 1-cent euro coins have been sold at prestigious coin auctions. One of the most famous sales took place in 2010, where a mint mark error 1-cent euro coin fetched a whopping euro 11,000, roughly $13,000 USD at the time. Since then, their value has only increased as collectors continue to fight over them. Now, you might be wondering how to spot a 1999 1-cent euro coin with this error. It's all about the mint mark, or rather, the absence of it. The error is most noticeable on the Coins from the Netherlands, as their mint mark is located just below the one. If you don't see it, you might just be holding a coin worth more than your entire coin jar. Collectors are always on the lookout for these mint mark errors, and that's why they're willing to pay such high prices for them. It's not just the rarity of the coin itself, it's also the story behind it, the mistake that turned it into a small piece of history. But what about the value of other 1999 1-cent euro coins? Are they valuable as well? While most 1-cent euro coins from 1999 are worth just their face value, essentially 1 cent, they can still hold value for collectors based on the country of origin or condition. Coins in mint condition or uncirculated coins often fetch a bit more, especially in complete sets. So how do you know if you've got a rare 1999 1-cent coin? It all comes down to the details. Pay close attention to the mint mark. And remember, if you not sure whether your coin is in error or not, it's always a good idea to get it professionally graded by a numismatic expert. They can help determine the true value of your coin. Coin grading involves evaluating the quality and authenticity of a coin. If you have a rare, high-quality coin, it can fetch a premium price. So, if you ever find yourself with one of these rare 19991 cent euro coins, don't just spend it. It could be worth much more than its face value. Alright, that wraps up today's video on the most expensive 1-cent euro coin from 1999.